Matus Law Group, we do a lot of trusts. Now, many people don't know what a trust is generally, but we like to think of it as a box. So a trust is really a way to hold assets, whether it's, the house, your bank account, your brokerage account, or maybe naming the trust as beneficiary of an account. But these are ways to hold assets in such a way that you get to avoid the costly expense of probate. And at the same time, it brings a certain level of privacy to your estate, because trusts don't have to go through probate. Wills do, which is why we like to recommend trusts when somebody doesn't really want the world to know who's going to be receiving their millions of dollars or hundreds of dollars, whatever the case might be. So this is something we like to do at our firm. And if this is something that you think might be beneficial for your estate plan, give us a call.